Introducing the 2024 Volvo XC90 Recharge T8 Plus AWD in sleek grey. With only 10,000 miles on the efficient 2-litre petrol-electric engine, this estate boasts a plethora of comfort and safety features like cruise control, navigation, and multiple airbags. The luxurious interior includes third-row seats and ambient lighting. Stay secure with parking assistance, collision alert, and more. Plus, with roof rails and a sunroof, you'll drive in style. Not to mention the warranty and health check for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.